Hi guys, I'm Avantika and welcome back to my channel. This is a highly requested video. आप में से बहुत लोगों ने मुझे मैसेज किया था जानने के लिए कि मैं अपने बालों को कैसे हेल्दी रखती हूँ despite all of the treatments and the curling that it goes through on a daily basis. So this video is going to answer all your questions. Let's dive right in. I'm going to dive into a topic that many of us can relate to, and that is hair fall. I know, I feel like हम सबको अपनी लाइफ में, especially as we get older, we face hair fall at some point or another, so I'm no different. As an actress, my hair is a big part of my identity, and जो मेरे कुछ साल की journey रही है, it has been an absolute roller coaster because मुझे लगता है मेरे बाल इतने ज़्यादा स्टाइल होते हैं, कर्ल होते हैं, and that's why today I have not styled it. This is my natural hair texture. Today I'm going to talk to you about how I stop my hair fall and how I have healthy hair today. And मैं आपको सारे के सारे tricks and tips बताऊंगी because this is something जो मैंने काफ़ी ज़्यादा trial and error के बाद ढूंढा है कि what works for me. But this I'm also giving you a disclaimer कि what works for me might not even work for you, but you can take tips from it and especially go to a good doctor. Okay, before we get into it is story time. जब मैं छोटी थी, when I was very little, I was honestly considered very lucky by my friends. They would always say, कितनी lucky है यार, you have such good hair, and I am, touch wood, because मेरे family में सबके बहुत अच्छे बाल हैं, and but I feel like I took it for granted because growing up I was such a tomboy कि मैं कुछ ज़्यादा maintain नहीं करती थी. मेरे usually छोटे बाल ही रहते थे, but काफ़ी thick. But as I got older, as I became a teenager, I feel like I started to grow my hair, and I realized कि मुझे naturally काफ़ी थिक एंड लंबे और घने बाल मिले हुए हैं. एंड मेरी मॉम ने ध्यान रखना शुरू किया लाइक बहुत घरेलू नुस्खे, लाइक यू पुट कर्ड, यू पुट एग्स, वो सभी यूज़ करती थी मैं बिकॉज आई वॉज नॉट रियली इंट्रोड्यूस टू दीज फैंसी प्रोडक्ट्स येट. And then cut to as a 19-year-old I got into modeling, and उसके बाद is when the real damage happened, right? Because आप दिन भर, especially when you do modeling, and I was doing a lot of ramp modeling, and उसमें आपको बहुत ज़्यादा damage हो जाते हैं. The glam was amazing, don't get me wrong. I loved getting ready by some of the top professionals in the country, best hairstylists, but I realized कि मेरे बालों की बहुत बुरी हालत हो गई थी because एक particular ad shoot जो मैंने किया था काफ़ी बड़े ब्रांड के लिए, national campaign था. I can't take their name here, but I remember उन्होंने मेरे बाल में glue लगाया था just to put the extensions, and when I took it out, the glue stayed, and it stayed for like a good couple of months despite going to spas. घर के नुस्खे के बाद तेल लगाने के बाद it didn't really come off very easily, and उसके बाद I could see my hair fall out in clumps, and this is me going from इतने लंबे बाल to cutting it short because I had really long hair. And after that particular ad, that particular season जहाँ पे मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे shoots किए थे especially hair के, I think उस season के बाद I saw my hair falling out in clumps, and that was a terrifying experience because I think किसी भी लड़की के लिए, स्पेशली एक जवान लड़की के लिए, उसके बाल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं. इट्स योर क्राउन जूल, एंड व्हेन दैट वाज हैपनिंग आई वाज रियली I was left very vulnerable and worried. That's why I'm even sharing this video because I know there are a lot of people who get really insecure, who feel really insecure about their hair, and I have my friends too who have a hair transplant at a young age, and I feel like we shouldn't judge anybody because सबके hormonal changes different है, सबके challenges different है life में. But anyway, without boring you further, this was my backstory, and I will attach some pictures so आपको दिखेगा कि what it was like you can see baby Avantika with all her hairstyles. Okay, oh wow, this light is so nice. So the second and the most important thing that I did was I started looking for good doctors because I think सबसे बड़ा step होता है. तो I was seeking help, and I found this amazing doctor from Chennai. Her name is Varuni, and I reached out to her, and she actually asked me to get a few blood tests done and to find out कि अगर मैं कोई deficient हूँ किसी minerals and nutrients में, because वो होता है age के साथ. And I think with stress and hormonal changes, and especially with women, I feel like that starts to happen in your 20s, and then 30s it gets pretty worse. And for men, I think it starts to happen a little later on. Actually, let me read out the blood test that she asked me to get done. She asked me CBC. I'm going to anyway attach it here. STSH,
LHFSH as prolactin, free testosterone, HOMA index for insulin, resistance, vitamin B.
ज़्यादा technical हो जाएगा, but anyway, I'm sure people who will go to doctors, they will understand this. And मुझे कुछ serums and vitamins भी दिए गए थे, and certain shampoo as well, which I'm going to share in a bit. So these are the things that I got done, and she was like, we need to figure out कि अगर मुझे PRP करनी पड़ेगी नहीं. Basically, PRP is a 3-step process. They're going to draw your blood. It is not scary. It is not as scary as it sounds. And then they process it. So एक centrifugal machine होती है जिसमें it is spun, से गोल गोल घुमाया जाता है, and then it is obviously like they take out the plasma that is needed. And the third thing is they inject it into the affected area. तो suppose आपकी यहाँ पे आप patches, you are balding in patches, तो उस एरिया में ये इंजेक्ट किया जाएगा. सो PRP बेसिकली रिलीजेज ग्रोथ फैक्टर्स दैट स्टिमुलेट एंड इंक्रीज द नंबर ऑफ रिपेरेटिव सेल्स इन योर बॉडी, एंड दैट इज़ हाउ द हेयर ग्रोज बैक. एंड दिस इज़ लाइक अ रियली नेचुरल वे टू गेट इट डन. बट एक थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव होता है. आई थिंक पर सेशन ये 8 to 10,000 का हो सकता है, एंड थोड़ा पेनफुल भी होता है. बट दे अप्लाई नंबिंग क्रीम, एंड ऑल्सो इट कैन कॉज, इन सम केसेज इट कैन लीड टू इन्फेक्शन. सो इट इज़ नॉट 100% safe, but it's a great way to get your hair back. But anyway, that's not what I did. What I did was more natural and more affordable, so that's what I'm here to talk about. Okay, so once I got my blood test results, I was quite relieved because ऐसा कुछ ज़्यादा serious नहीं था. My doctor gave me was a specialized plan. तो उन्होंने मुझे कुछ vitamins दिए, topical treatments दिए, and certain products, and that have become like a really crucial part of my hair care routine. And to be honest, मैं 1 साल से वही use कर रही हूँ. मैंने कोई भी, I discarded all of those expensive products that I used to buy. So now let's talk about my hair care routine, why you've been watching this video. So the first thing that I take are these vitamins. These are the Trichospire. I'm also going to put the link down below and put it up here as well. So these are vitamins that I take every day. तो यहाँ पे ऐसे लिखा होता है. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? So that's what it looks like. I mean, it's ulta here obviously, but it basically, उसके ऊपर लिखा रहता है कि Monday to Thursday, Tuesday and Friday. So you have to take like 1 tablet every single day of each dabba. So there are like 6 boxes in this. And so say I take these, the white ones, right? So I take 1 of each every single day. And you can take it after breakfast, you can take it after dinner also, but usually after breakfast. This is one thing I take. This has helped me with my hair fall significantly. तो ये usually 6 महीने से ज़्यादा यूज़ करना नहीं चाहिए. And but this product has been amazing. And the second thing I took was vitamin D as well, but that was only taken for a few weeks, क्योंकि I feel कि आजकल हम में से कोई ज़्यादा ऐसा धूप नहीं लेता है, और हमारे बहुत ज़्यादा डेफिशिएंसीज हमारे खाने में भी होती है. एंड विटामिन डी तो ऑलमोस्ट सबका ही कम होता है, तो वो टैबलेट्स लिए, बट वो ज़्यादा टाइम के लिए नहीं लेना चाहिए. दैट्स व्हाट द डॉक्टर सेज. So yeah, this one right here has saved my hair single-handedly. I was really worried. I remember मैं ये online ना videos देखती थी YouTube के, या फिर a lot of these influencers talking about their hair, and I'm like, it's not helping me. These are expensive products and they're not helping me at all. And which is why I wanted to make this video, because I'm like, this is like a very honest experience where I went through it too. I went through the whole turmoil of मेरे बाल चले जाएंगे तो मैं क्या करूँगी. And I cut my hair also. उसकी वजह से मैंने last year 1-2 बार अपने बाल बहुत छोटे करा लिए थे, कि मुझे लगा मे बी डैमेज है, ब्रेकेज है. I have no clue what this is, so I'm gonna fix it. So I kept cutting it, but that did not help. And now I'm finally growing my hair back. I have the confidence to do it. I still feel there are some rough edges, but it looks it's nice and healthy. Which is why I don't style it a lot. Unless I'm shooting, I don't use it at all. So yeah, this baby is the best product that you can get in the market. But yet I will say you must get your blood test done, and go to a really good doctors. I think blood tests सब कुछ solve कर देते हैं. So along with these vitamins, I'm also using some amazing affordable products that have helped me. So the first thing that I use is this Densita hair growth. Why am I panting? I'm panting because I went up and down the stairs to get this. I forgot the serum. So this is basically a density growth serum, and what it does is you basically take it out like this, and then you take a patch and you spray it there, and you mix it. This is what it looks like. Let me try and focus this. Okay, so I'm anyway going to put all the links in the description below कि आप लोगों को आसानी होगी खरीदने में. तो ये सीरम मैं यूज़ करती हूँ रात में. कभी भी अगर मुझे लग रहा अच्छा यहाँ से थोड़े बाल गिर गए वहाँ से, तो वहाँ पे that patch I basically spray it all over, and then I just rub it in, and you can wash it the next day. So this is one serum which helps you with, like, it stimulates hair growth and it stops hair loss, and it's really not that expensive. I think it's like 1,000 something rupees. And anyway, put the prices and everything, but it's quite amazing. The second thing I use is, I use this Celinext wash, which is basically a 2-in-1 antifungal therapy for your scalp. So अगर किसी को dandruff हो रहा है, because I feel like people lose hair even because of dandruff, and also it leads to back acne and face acne. So I feel like 2-in-1, I feel like this just does the job of like 2-in-1, which is great. So this is another thing I use. This is the Celly logo. I'm bad. Okay guys, hold on. My amateur YouTube skills at the moment. Full display, on full display. You know what? I'm going to just put this in the description box below. It is the Celly Next wash. How much is this? This is 449 rupees, and you basically, while you're shampooing your hair, you can just पहले आप इसको लगा लो अपने scalp में, and then you leave it for like 10 minutes, and it gives you this. Oh, it smells quite nice too. So I just use this whenever I have to shampoo my hair, and that helps me with my dandruff too, and that is gone. And my most favorite product that I found online very randomly, and none of this is sponsored by the way, I wish it was though, is this product, which is the India Wild oil. I'm not going to try and focus because I'm not good at it. It is basically a chumpy hair oil. It's got like a lot of amla and brahmi and all these beautiful Ayurvedic stuff. And why I bought this is because you have this bottle with like a dropper, so you can just use this. I love it. I love anything which is pretty and packaged really well. तो ये oil है, and it smells like ममा बचपन में बनाती थी ना, आमला को and बहुत सारे different oil को, herbs को, कड़ी पत्ता को उबाल के जैसी वो smell आती थी. I think वो वैसा ही oil है ये. I use this. I basically apply this once a week, and the next thing I do is I take this derma roller, जो face पे भी use होता है, but I have only kept it for my hair, and I use this. It's got like thousands of needles basically, and I just like roll it all over my scalp. It tingles a bit. It feels like the cheepiyan chal rahi ho and it's biting you a little bit, but it does a great job. It helps you with, like, again, stimulating growth. So I was talking about PRP that you do for your face, where you're basically doing micro needling. It is one of them, but obviously you're doing it at home and you don't need numbing cream for it. So these are the products I use. I keep it very simple, and then I use these shampoos. I'm using Olaplex at the moment. I'm also using another one which I'm going to show you. So I am using Olaplex shampoo, and I'm also using this mask which is by Vela. Come on man, focus. So this is the Color Brilliance. It is a mask by Vela, and I got it for my hair color because I colored my hair. It's got some lime caviar in it, and it smells so nice. Oh my god, it smells so nice. It smells like a salon. You know when you go to a salon and you get your hair washed, that's what it smells like. I think that's why I bought it. So these are the only products I use. Okay, so those are all the over-the-counter products I use, and they're not that many to be honest, but I feel like less is more. ज़्यादा करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You don't have to abuse your hair and your skin, and don't take it for granted. So I just use these products, and I will not change it unless my doctor asks me to. But इसके साथ I use some घरेलू नुस्खे, and as an Indian there is no way that you will not have that. I think all our mothers tell us बचपन से ही ना, तो सबका कुछ ना कुछ होता है घर में जो कि उनकी पीढ़ी से चला आ रहा होता है. So मेरे लिए it is this particular oil that my mom makes. It's a concoction of coconut oil, extra virgin, almond oil, castor oil and vitamin की गोलियाँ जो कि आपको कहीं भी मार्केट में मिल जाएंगी, तो उसको आप डाल दो and then you just put it all over your hair. Second thing is, which will smell a little bit, is ande, egg white. They also work like magic. The third thing is dahi, but I will not recommend it. I feel like it smells a little. Another really good option is hibiscus or hibiscus flower that you can get. So आप कोई भी oil ले लो, whether it's extra virgin coconut or almond, and उसमें आप hibiscus flower and गरम तेल में flower and some tulsi leaves or curry patta leaves को आप डाल दो, because they have antibacterial properties. आप उसको छान के और रख लो, and that oil works like magic. So there you have it. My journey to combat hair fall has been a long one. I've learned a lot along the way. If you're experiencing hair loss, remember you're not alone, and reaching out for help is the first step. And everyone's hair journey is so unique. So find what works best for you, because जो चीज़ मेरे लिए काम कर रही है शायद आपके लिए ना करे, और it could. I would be very happy. So you can put it in the comment section below after seeing this video and trying these products and all the nuskhas. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health, beauty and lifestyle tips. Feel free to share your hair stories in the comment section below. Until Until then, take care of yourself and your hair.